Hi, this is Kiara and Paulina from Pencil, and in today's video we'll be showing you how you can experience live text typing in Pencil Spaces. So to use the text tool, navigate to the bottom toolbar in your space and click the text button. From there, click anywhere on the whiteboard you would like to write out your text. And now you can type out any message of your choosing. You can also alter your text. So you can bold your text, italicize it, underline. You can go ahead and change the color of your text. You can highlight it, change the font, and even change the size. Text can also be moved around the whiteboard and edited at any time. Make sure that when you are looking to edit your text or move it around the whiteboard, you are actively using the Select tool. So now when you use your text tool in Pencil Spaces, and you type on the board, your participants will be able to see your typing live in your space. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.